Welcome, ambitious viewers. Are you ready to turbocharge your credit score by a whopping 100 points in just 90 days? Imagine the doors that could open. Better loan rates, easier approvals, and maybe even your dream home. Stick around because this video is your golden ticket to financial enhancement. Step number 1, pull your credit reports. Knowledge is power. The first step in boosting your credit score is knowing exactly where you stand. Obtain your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look for errors. Yes, they're more common than you think. Dispute any inaccuracies to clean up your history. A clean report is your fastest avenue to a better score. Step number 2, pay down your balances. Here's a quick question to keep you on your toes. What's the quickest way to lift your credit score? If you said paying off debt, you're right on the money. Try to keep your credit utilization below 30% of your limits. Under 10% is even better and supercharges your score. Secret tip number 1, increase your credit limits. Don't just work hard, work smart. Call your creditors and ask for a higher credit limit. But remember, not to spend this extra credit. This tactic lowers your overall credit utilization without costing you a cent. Step number 3, set up payment reminders. Now, don't let forgetfulness drag your score down. Automate your payments or set up reminders. Consistent, timely payments can do wonders for your credit score, accounting for a hefty 35% of your FICO score. Secret tip number 2, become an authorized user. Do you have a family member or trusted friend with stellar credit? Consider asking them to add you as an authorized user on one of their long-standing low-balance accounts. Just a little secret between us. You don't even have to use the card to benefit. Point number 4, tackle high-interest debts. First, this is strategic. Eliminating high-interest debts not only saves you money on interest, but improves your credit usage. It's a double win. Keep the momentum by snowballing those freed-up funds into the next debt. Question time. Who thought improving your credit score could be as easy as watching a few minutes of YouTube? Show that like button some love if you're finding value, and consider subscribing for daily power-packed videos that enlighten and improve your life. Step number 5, regularly monitor your credit. Like a hawk. Keep an eye on your credit score and report regularly to ensure there are no surprises. Apps and websites now offer real-time credit monitoring and even suggest further steps to improve your score. Final secret, patience and persistence. Boosting your credit score by 100 points in 90 days is achievable, but it requires diligence and consistency. Keep implementing these practices, and soon you'll see the fruits of your discipline. As we wrap up, remember, this isn't just about numbers. It's about empowering your future. Challenge accepted? I'd love to hear your thoughts below. What steps are you going to try first? And if perfecting your personal development is your jam, click through to our next video. What would happen if you didn't drink water? It's equally eye-opening. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch a video each day.